Eco bricks are rapidly gaining ground in the construction industry. And it's no surprise, they're fast to build with, reduce project timelines, offer real benefits for home living conditions, and deliver high profit margins for producers. Now, if you want to manufacture eco bricks with more comfort, better productivity, and stronger financial returns, pay close attention. Introducing the HM Press, the hydraulic brick press by Jarfel Sahara. This is the ideal choice for builders who want real technology behind their eco brick production. Why? Because here compaction is done through a high-efficient hydraulic system. With a simple movement of the side lever, the press activates a hydraulic unit that handles all the heavy work. Within seconds, the brick is pressed with the exact amount of pressure and flawless finishing, automatically. And that changes everything. You reduce the operator's physical strain, eliminate fatigue over long shifts, and maintain fast, consistent production throughout the day. Faster output, higher production, bigger profits. And of course, like every machine in the Jarfel Sahara soil cement line, the HM Press is compatible with accessories that make over 35 different brick types. That means you can produce standard perforated eco bricks, half bricks, groover channel bricks, solid bricks, rounded corner bricks, bricks with pipe outlets, wall anchor channels, and more. Give your clients variety and complete construction solutions. Stand out from competitors with a versatile product portfolio. And here's a key advantage customers love: mobility. The HM Press comes equipped with reinforced wheels, making it easy to move around your factory, or even take it to events, trade shows, and live demos. Need to reorganize your workspace or position it near your jagged soil crusher? No problem. You'll have total freedom and flexibility. If what you're looking for is a modern, efficient, and profitable machine that produces eco bricks quickly with high quality and a competitive edge, then the HM Press is exactly what you need. Boost your production, work smarter, not harder, and build your business with the quality and reliability of Jarfel Sahara. Did you like what you saw? Here's a great bonus: a complete in-person training at our headquarters in Brazil. You'll learn everything you need, from how to select the right materials, how to operate and maintain the machine, and even tips on how to sell your products. And for our international customers, here's how our payment process works. We work with 50% upfront at the time of purchase and the remaining 50% when your machine is ready for shipment. Payments can be made via international wire transfer through Proforma, invoice, or PayPal. Ensure convenience and security. If you ever come to Brazil, feel free to visit us. We're located at Rodovia Mogi Bertioga, kilometer 61.5, number 1080. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.